Hello guys, in this video you will see recycling of milk carton. If you watch my full video till end, you will see a very beautiful cute ideas of the recycling process of a milk carton. Milk cartons commonly used for packaging dairy products are typically made from a combination of materials, paperboard coated with polyethylene and sometimes a thin layer of aluminum. These multi-layered cartons fall into two main categories: refrigerated gable top cartons and shelf-stable aseptic cartons. The recycling process of these cartons involves several carefully regulated stages, each designed to recover valuable raw materials while minimizing environmental. The process begins at the consumer level, where used milk cartons are placed in recycling bins. Once collected through municipal recycling programs or private haulers, the cartons are transported to a materials recovery facility. At the MRF, the cartons are sorted from other recyclables using both manual labor and automated systems such as optical sorters. These machines use light sensors to detect and separate cartons from other materials like plastics, metals, and papers. After sorting, the cartons are baled together and shipped to specialized recycling plants. At these facilities, the cartons undergo a process known as hydropulping. In this process, the cartons are placed in large tanks of water and agitated to break them down. The outer surface of a milk carton is smooth and often printed with colorful branding, nutritional information, and other product details. The internal coating of polyethylene provides moisture barriers, ensuring the liquid contents remain fresh and preventing leakage. This multi-layer design, while excellent for food preservation, can pose some challenges when it comes to breaking down the carton to reuse or recycling, as the different materials need to be separated through specialized industrial processes. When cleaned and dried, empty milk cartons become a versatile raw material for crafting and repurposing. Their rectangular square prism shapes provide a stable base or container from that can be cut, folded, painted, or otherwise modified. The cartons are light enough to be manipulated easily but strong enough to hold various items or retain shapes without collapsing. You will see a very beautiful and different craft ideas of empty milk cartons. You will see a very pretty, a very unique ideas for your kids. You should try at home with your kids. So if you like this video, then press the like button and please share my video as much as you can. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.